right arm over the wicket. It's a great shot.
Get ready for the weekly dose of cricket updates, commentaries, predictions, interviews with cricket stars and a look at the local cricket scene with host Archan Mehta and Dr. Nilesh Mehta in show Crickbaz every Sunday 4 to 5 p.m. only on Radio Zindagi 50.
Ladies and gentlemen, cricket enthusiasts and the fans of the gentleman game, welcome to yet another episode of Crickbaz, your weekly dose of cricketing excitement, right here in the heart of Bay Area. I'm your host, Archan Mehta, here in the Bay Area, and we have Dr. Mehta joining us from Chicago area, Indiana area today. You can follow us on Crickbaz on air on Instagram and or Twitter. We are also live on Radio Zindagi Facebook page. क्रिकेट की दुनिया इंजीनियर और डॉक्टर के संग, हंसी मजाक और क्रिकेट का रंग. Today we have such an exciting segment for you. We have our guest Samir Pandekar, who is a highly respected cricket umpire with rich career experience in both the Indian domestic cricket as well as some prestigious Ranji Trophy games, and he's served as an international umpire as well. And he also plays a unique role in representing USA in international umpiring stages as well, and a key figure in umpiring in cricket in the USA. And of course, he has some background and personal connection with umpiring. He comes from a family of umpires and has pursues to stay with the role even after playing cricket. So अर्ज किया है, अंपायर की नजर सबसे तेज, हर डिसीजन में होती है उनकी अपनी जज्बात का राज. बॉल या पैड, कभी होता है कंफ्यूजन का सवाल, उनकी आंखों में ही बनता है मैच का असली हाल. सो वेलकम समीर भाई, वेलकम टू द शो.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's start talking about your career and transition into cricket. So can you आप बता सकते हैं कि what was that influenced you to take umpiring as a career? What was the decision that influenced you?
Not as a career, but right now, as you said, my dad was a local umpire in Mumbai. So I was watching him right from my childhood. And I used to play cricket for Mumbai Cricket Association. And I represented Mumbai universities. And that time, all the stalwarts were there in our team. Sanjay Manjrekar was my captain, Mumbai University. And at that time, we did not get any batting. Only 2-3 wickets, 400, 500 runs declared, and then opposition. So this was the fact. And to get, had it been any other state, I would have definitely played Ranji Trophy first class cricket. But since I was from Mumbai and I didn't want to go out of Mumbai, I started let's see, now I want to be in the cricket. So what to do now? I cannot go this way. So rather start like as an umpire. So I took guidance from my dad. Mr. Gotaskar was there. He helped me out. And Ampan, if you want to watch cricket closely, that's the only place you can watch cricket closely. So I cleared a couple of examinations and then I became a local umpire. And after that, after doing a couple of years of experience, they promoted me for BCCI. And from there, I became an international umpire from Mumbai. Did almost 70, 75 Ranji Trophy games, 2 ODIs on field, 3 third umpire test matches, 3 ODI third umpire, IPL games, and then we came over here, did some CPL games, and here I am in front of you.
Excellent. डॉक्टर साहब भी है, तो डॉक्टर साहब क्या हाल है आपके?
Hello, Archan. Samir Bhai is a dear friend, and we have been together in the Houston area when the US team was playing. Samir Bhai, of course, is very well recognized, Archan, as you said, umpire. not only in the US, but his experience is international. But one other thing about Samir Bhai is he is extremely fluent in Gujarati as well as Marathi. So Samir Bhai, of course, is a Maharashtrian. Last name gives it away. પણ એમનું ગુજરાતી પણ બહુ જ સુંદર છે. એટલે it's hard to say કે આ માણસ બીજી કઈ કઈ ભાષા બોલી શકતા હશે. આજે રાજ ખોલી દો. Tell us what other languages you speak, Samir Bhai.
મારો મોસાળ ગુજરાતી છે. માય મધર વોઝ ગુજરાતી અને મારા વાઇફ ગુજરાતી છે. તો 75%
તો बहुत ही
ઘરમાં ગુજરાતી અને આપણે 25% ફાધરથી લીધેલું છે.
बहुत
તો
ही
ગુજરાતી એન્ડ મરાઠી હિન્દી. અને since you live in Texas, so you have to know a little bit of Spanish.
There, oh, see, there it came out. I knew it was going to come out. Uh, you know, being an umpire in cricket, it's often thought to be like a thankless job. કારણ કે
No, it's not
તમે
thankless.
સારું કરો તો કોઈ વખાણ ના કરે, પણ ખરાબ કરો, if you do something wrong, people jump on you. How have you handled the pressure of being an umpire and avoid criticism and keep all that out of your zone?
પ્રેશરમાં એવું છે ને કે you go ball by ball. You think in your mind, I have to. અને અહીંયા તો ચલો એટલીસ્ટ 20 અને 40 ઓવર્સ 50 ઓવર્સની ગેમ છે. બટ ત્યાં रणजी ट्रॉफी
हमारे समीर भाई, हमारे हिंदी सुनने वाले के लिए अगर आप या तो हिंदी बोले में बात कर
या आई कैन हिंदी में बोलता हूँ.
He's a
राष्ट्रीय
linguist,
भाषा.
we know.
लाइक वहां पे कैसा होता है कि रणजी ट्रॉफी करने के लिए 4
हाँ।
दिन का गेम होता है.
हाँ।
तो 4 दिन 90 ओवर्स कंपलसरी आपको डालने होते हैं पर डे. देन इट कैन गो बियॉन्ड 430 अनलेस एंड अंटिल द 90 ओवर्स आर नॉट कंप्लीटेड. आपको गेम कंप्लीट करना है. तो इतने लंबे समय के लिए कंसंट्रेशन कैसा करेंगे? तो यू हैव टू थिंक इन योर माइंड कि मेरे को बस 18 बॉल अच्छे करने, कंसंट्रेशन. 18 ball, which is 3 overs. So 3 overs from my side and 3 overs from his side. तो कितने ओवर हुए? 6 ओवर. आधे घंटे में 6 ओवर होते हैं. If you calculate, you can bowl 6 to 7 overs in half an hour. तो आपका आधा घंटा तो निकल गया. So that way we used to, short periods, concentration. Okay, मेरे को if you say मेरे को 3 घंटा concentration करना है, तो never ever you can do. Always short steps, and that way that was I may be wrong. दूसरे लोग कैसे करते होंगे मेरे को मालूम नहीं, लेकिन ये मेरा तरीका था कंसंट्रेशन करने के लिए. और दूसरी बात जो आपने बोली प्रेशर, तो प्रेशर आपके ऊपर है, आप कैसा लेते हैं. कभी कभी आप घर में जाते हैं तो औरत का भी प्रेशर रहता है, वाइफ का आपके ऊपर. सो यू टैकल विद दैट प्रेशर, राइट? सो दे सेम वे. और प्लेयर्स अगर आपको जानते हैं कि आदमी गलती होती है, बट अगर दोबारा करता है, सो देन ही इज नॉट अ गुड अंपायर. So they also know you. Once you step in, first they see from your body language, from the way you walk to the wicket, the way you take stance, the way you talk to them, they gauge. Players are very sharp. बहुत शार्प होते हैं. आजकल के बच्चे बहुत शार्प होते हैं. 2 मिनट में आपको पहचान लेंगे कि ये कैसा अंपायर है करके. So that way you take pressure. And if you take pressure, you are in pressure. So just take as the ball comes, ball by ball. Follow the ball. That's it.
Very, very valid advice, समीर भाई. वो कहते हैं ना कि बातें भूल जाते हैं पर यादें याद आती हैं. तो give us some memories that you have collected over the years. Of course, some of the things that are very well known on the internet about India-Australia game, and then off the record we were talking about the India-Pakistan game. So please share with our viewers and listeners about those couple of moments.
गलतियां याद होती है, बातें नहीं है याद रहती है. अंपायर जो गलती करता है वो याद रहती है लाइफ टाइम के लिए.
वो सिर्फ स्टीव बकनर को याद करते हैं हम लोग. हम आपकी बात नहीं करते.
वो सचिन के थ्रू उसके लिए याद करते हैं, बिकॉज सचिन वाज द फर्स्ट. वो बकरा ही था उसका एवरी टाइम.
बट हाँ बताइए, आपकी इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया टेस्ट मैच के बारे में बताइए.
Yeah, that test match was a memorable test match. बहुत ही लाइफ टाइम याद रहेगी. एंड वो मिस्टर बंसल जो कि ऑन फील्ड अंपायर थे, वो उनका लास्ट टेस्ट मैच था. आफ्टर दैट ही वाज रिटायरिंग, और उनका रिकॉर्ड था 5 टेस्ट मैच उन्होंने अंपायरिंग करी थी. एंड इन ऑल द 5 टेस्ट मैचेस इंडिया हैज वन. So we were in the same hotel, that we were at Taj, and me and my wife was there in the Taj. So previous night, like he was, जब भी हमारा ऑल आउट हो गया है, and they asked us to call on. तो बंसल साहब जरा थोड़े टेंशन में थे. Like, क्यों बंसल साहब, क्या हुआ क्या? नहीं यार, I have umpired 5 games, 5 test matches, and this is the last one, and I'm retiring, और इंडिया losing. तो थोड़ा मन में भी थोड़ा खटकता है ना कि बाबा बंसल.
So just to give our viewers and listeners some backdrop, we are talking about the test match. This is the 2001 India versus Australia, the Rahul Dravid and VVS Lakshman test match in Kolkata. हाँ जी, go ahead, Samir bhai.
And Harbhajan test match in Kolkata.
Of course, Harbhajan test match. Yes, absolutely.
So that test match, so he was little bit like, क्या होगा, बहुत सोचते थे वो. And then Rahul Dravid and Lakshman 180, 281 scored. Last day we won the test match, and he was like happy, like 6 out of 6, full and full. तो वो टेस्ट मैच के बारे में थोड़ा बोलना था मेरे को कि like 2 balls Harbhajan took wickets, and third Shane Warne came into bat, and it was a hat-trick ball, and Calcutta crowd, it was jam packed. कुछ भी आवाज, कोई भी चिल्ला रहा था, किसी को कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता दे रहा था. Everyone yelling, shouting, and since we were winning, and that the माहौल ऐसा बन गया था कि it was amazing. एंड उस टाइम के रूल के हिसाब से अभी तो रूल काफी चेंजेस हो गए, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ चेंजेस आर देयर, लेकिन उस रूल में ऐसा था कि सिग्नल अगर अंपायर करेगा, ऑन फील्ड अंपायर, तो फर्स्ट इफ ही इज नॉट श्योर, ही हैज टू गो टू द स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर कि what's the decision, what's going on, I have not seen, have you seen anything? And if he is not satisfied, then you have to go with the third umpire. उस जमाने में ये था, 2001 की बात मैं कर रहा हूं. उसके बाद सेम शेन वॉर्न, एंड वी हैड अ चैट प्री मीटिंग, चैट में भी था. सिंस इट वाज अ टीवी, आई हैड अ क्वेश्चन फॉर कैमी स्मिथ. कैमी स्मिथ मैच रेफरी थे उस गेम में. तो मैंने उनको पूछा कि भाई, मेरे को दिख रहा है कि ही हैज नॉट प्लेड द बॉल, ठीक है, एंड इज सब्सिक्वेंटली कॉट by any of the fielder or keeper. So what will be my decision? Because I know that he has not played the ball, right?
Yeah.
But at the same time, if the umpire signals like this, and that this was discussed in the captain's meetings also, like Saurav and Steve were there, and once the umpire does like this, which means he is 100% sure that he has played the ball. तो मेरा काम तो और आसान हो गया. मेरे को खाली यही देखना था कि फील्डर ने कैच क्लीन लिया है कि नहीं लिया. अगर क्लीन लिया है तो ठीक है, नहीं लिया है तो नॉट आउट. जैसे आपने बोला था, प्रेशर लेने का नहीं, देने का दूसरों को. सो सेम वे हैपेंड. उसने फ्लिक किया, एंड एस रमेश, स्क्वायर लेग फील्डर, he took the catch. And that time Sanjay was, all the commentators, they have 15 minute session. Tony Craig was on the mic, and these guys were like roaming around. They came to my room. Sanjay was behind me, and Sanjay was just watching. And since we both were from Mumbai, and he knows we played cricket together, so he was in Marathi. He was telling Samya, Sambalu na. So again, in Kemi Smith bolne laga, Sanjay, don't influence him. So no, I'm just telling him, take care. You don't have to tell him. He knows what his job, what is he doing. Then I took one angle, I took another angle, and I was satisfied, because I knew that once the umpire does like this, and Bansal Saab, wo itne mein इतना प्रेशर था उनको कि भूल गए कि स्क्वायर लेग के पास पहले जाना था. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू
Oh,
गो टू द स्क्वायर लेग एंड देन यू हैव टू डू द डिसीजन. तो
I see.
उधर उन्होंने देखा कुछ नहीं, उनको लगा क्या हुआ, ऐसे कर दिया. एंड देन कैमी कैमी स्मिथ चिल्लाने लगा, व्हाई इज नॉट गोइंग टू पीटर विली, बिकॉज विली वाज अ स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर, पीटर विली.
Hmm.
तो उन्होंने ये करने के बाद ऑल द कैमरास वर ऑन दोज रेड एंड ग्रीन सिग्नल, एंड आफ्टर one shot, I was satisfied that the catch was taken cleanly, and I told the director, okay, I'm ready with my decision. Go ahead. So they were showing those lights, and I hit the red light. And then आप कभी टाइम मिलेगा, आपने देखा होगा तो टोनी क्रेग का सुनना, oh yes, stop the button and this that everything, and the whole crowd went mad. Whole crowd went mad.
Absolutely, such an iconic moment and such an amazing moment, and to be part of history of cricket, that is just fantastic. Um, Dr. Mehta.
समीर भाई, अगर आज के बच्चे कोई है जो 20-25 साल के हैं, जिनको क्रिकेट में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है और वो सोचते हैं कि मुझे क्रिकेट में अंपायरिंग करनी है, मैं खेलने में इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ, तो उसको आप क्या सलाह देंगे? अमेरिका में कोई लड़का है जिसको अंपायरिंग करनी है या कहीं पे भी हो, तो आपकी उस बारे में व्हाट एडवाइस वुड यू गिव दैट यंग मैन और अ यंग वुमन दैट इफ यू वांट टू परस्यू अंपायरिंग, these are the steps you should take?
USA cricket has also the pathways, but concrete अभी हुए नहीं है, हो रहे हैं. We have done level 1 course. Now we are going for level 2 course. So just keep an eye on the USA cricket website for level 1, level 2 courses. वो आते होंगे, तो we just go through it. You know, level 1 is like quite easy, optional question answers, but level 2 will be like descriptive and then viva. But it is coming.
Okay, very good. I am a level 1 passee. As you said, it was easy. I was able to pass it.
ये आप बोलते नहीं हो, देखा सब कुछ.
So, yes, I am a level 1 certified USA umpire, but looking forward to the level 2. Fantastic. Samir bhai, thank you so much again for talking to Radio Zindagi, and I'm sure the listeners are thrilled with hearing the anecdotes and you sharing the such a premium moment of your life and cricketing history for India. So thank you so
If
much.
anyone needs anyone help for umpiring, you can share my number, you can share my email, and no problem for me. I can always help anyone.
Thank you. Thank you
That's
so
very
much.
nice. Thank you, Samir bhai. Good seeing you.
Thank you.
Bye.